Now, let's see how your clients can send quick review requests. As you know, through the platform, there are different ways. All right, in this video, we're going to see how your clients can send quick review requests. As you know, through the platform, your clients can send review requests in different ways. We've seen the QR code. We have quick requests, and then also there is the campaigns that we will see in another video. Let's see now how to send a quick request, which is a quick way to send a review request to customers who provide the phone number to your clients. So your client just needs to click here, quick request. The first thing they have to do is to insert the name and the phone number of the end customer. For example, Giacomo, my name, and the phone number. As you can see, there is also the button Add Client to add multiple rows. So your clients can send quick requests to multiple clients at the same time. And it's mandatory to provide the consent before proceeding. And then we click on Next. Here we select the channel that we want to use to send the quick request. By default, for all your clients, one-way SMS is activated, so your clients can use our pool of phone numbers to send review requests, or they can enable also other channels from their settings as two-way SMS or also WhatsApp very soon. And there is a quick guide here on the right that says that the messages will be paused during the quiet hours. So from 9 p.m. to 11 a.m. So automatically, if your client send a message during the night, it's going to be sent at 11 a.m. Of course, the recipient's time. So through the prefix of the phone number, we understand which is the country of the end customers. And we will send the message not during the night, but from 11 a.m. To 9 p.m. All right, we click on Next. And here we have the message that we're going to send to the end customer. Of course, your clients can edit this message here just using the this box. And whenever they edit, this message is automatically saved. So whenever they come back to send a quick review request, here automatically they have the previous message that they use on their last request. And the variables name, review link, and the opt-out link are mandatory. Of course, the review link is useful for your clients to be able to collect reviews or private feedbacks. And also the opt-out link is mandatory for regulatory compliance. So the end customers can unsubscribe from your client's list. So if your clients try to send again a message to a number who opts out, the message will not be delivered. And we just click on Send, and the quick request is going to be sent to the end customer, so to the end customer phone number. We have a confirmation message, request sent successfully, and then your clients, if they want, they can send other quick requests or come back to the review feed. So the quick request is a method to send a review request, which is specifically useful for example, the situation where your clients have in front of them the end customer. For example, let's imagine a dentist studio. So the patient just had the visit. The patient is about to go back home, so to go away. The patient goes to the reception, get the receipt, maybe pays the dentist, and the receptionist can simply ask to the patient the phone number to send the review request. So the receptionist just click here, quick review request, quickly insert the name and the phone number of the patient, and in a couple of clicks, send the review request to the patient. or to the end customer. So this is very, very useful. And later we'll see also the other way to send review requests, which is the campaigns section. So this section here, which is more useful if your clients have big contact list and they want to send review requests to a larger number of contacts.